usually felt fine under their head is, be aware of their head alignment. Okay, on the count of 3, you're gonna take a step with your hand and your leg and this knee in reciprocal motion. And then you're gonna continue on with this leg and this knee. Okay? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Step, 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 step.
Okay, so all Christy's doing is giving resistance on that iliac crest in that forward direction. If she were to have her creep backwards, where do you think her resistance is going to be? Ischium. Ischium. Okay? All right, next.
What page was that?
That was page 80. So now we move to page 83 and we're going into hook line position and rhythmic initiation.
Okay, so I want you to relax. I want you to relax. Okay, and now I want you to help me go through the motion. Okay. And now I'm going to provide resistance, and I want you to go, we're going to start off going to your left. Down to your left, hold, 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 hold,
So on
hold.
her left knee, she's on the lateral side. On the right knee, she's on the medial side.
And to your right. Push, push, push,
And then
push,
she
push,
reverses
push,
it going the other
push,
direction.
Push, push, push. Back to your left. Push, 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 push. And relax.
Well, and you would actively have her go through that, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. For that rhythmic initiation, okay? So rhythmic initiation is really good if someone's got truncal rigidity. Remember how we said rigidity is both flexors, extensors? You're going in both directions, so that'll help decrease that rigidity as well as help initiate movement. Okay, so when we get to Parkinson's, rhythmic initiation is going to be a big technique that we use all the time. Okay? All right, next then was replication in hook line.
Alright, so I'm gonna take the capacity for movement towards his left side. I want you to hold it there, don't let me move it. Hold, 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 hold. Now relax, and bring it towards me. I want you to create that movement on your own.
Now, Jamia, come on this side so they
Okay.
can all see
Oh.
it happening from that side. Sorry.
And I want you to hold, go against my resistance. Hold, hold, hold. Now relax. I'm gonna do that with the arm out.
So remember, replication is you're teaching them a range of motion to go to, and can they repeat and get to that same position? Okay? All right, good. All right, next was, I skipped over hook line active holding, because basically that is just hold that position of hook line, okay? So then we have stabilizing reversals of hook line.
Okay, so you're gonna make sure she can hold the hook line position first, and then I'm gonna put one hand medially and one hand laterally, and I'm gonna provide resistance, and I want her to hold it there, don't let me move you. So hold, don't let me move you, hold, 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 and I'm gonna switch to the other side, hold, don't let me move you, hold, 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 switch to the other side, hold, 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 switch to the other side, hold, hold, hold.
Okay, so maybe you have an MS patient that doesn't have really good stability in the lower extremities. This would be a good technique to start with lower extremity to help build stability. Okay, all right, good. All right, then we had dynamic reversals. of hook line.
Alright, so I'm gonna have you push into my, can you move your knees this way, push into my hand, okay? Push, 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 push. Okay, so I'm gonna have you pull into my hands this way. Push. And then push into my hands.
Okay? Alright, so I'm gonna stop there so you can practice those. So you had the replication, then we went into hook line. We had rhythmic initiation, replication, rhythmic stabilization, and then dynamic reversals. Hand placement is mostly the same, it's just the type of technique you're doing with it, okay? Practice those and then we'll do bridging.